This is the Koot Party Light 7-color mode with remote control. And it's got this little bracket thing here that I just stick it on the ground, so I don't have it mounted to anything. But let me turn this on. And let me stand back a little bit. I like using this, and let me show you the different colors. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, 6, and 7. And you can have it to where it kind of like strobes around, and you can stop it. So it's pretty easy to, and you start it back up again. And I pretty much just keep it on these. It has little music ones, I guess, you can hook up to. And it has a flash like that. And these settings right here, just your normal ones, are what I use. And I just keep it in the room for when I'm playing guitar and just creating a different vibe. So I'll change the colors up and just keep it in the room. That's what I use it for. So it's fun. It's pretty bright. Let me try to turn the light off and see if this... So it'll do that on the ceiling. So let me change some of the colors here. That's 1. That's 2. That's kind of the one that I keep it on mostly because I like that green color when I'm playing guitar. That's a good one. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. And there's 7. And it does all of them. So I like it, and it just creates a different vibe. That's what I use it for. So hopefully this helps, and you have a great day.